Hi, my name is Muhammad Adib Mustaqim Benazili. Today we are going to learn about the process, safety technique and quality control and how the product manufactured in this Samamahe manufacturing.
Hello, my name is Arfadlan and we are here at Samamahe Sedat Bernhard. We are here to learn about the policy, the security and the safety of this company. So, let's go.
So we have arrived at Samamahe Sedat Bernhard. So as you, for your information, Samamahe is a company which specializes in sand casting and CNC, machining and a lot more engineering process. So sand casting is a foundry that is a place for a lot of mechanical and engineering processes, and we are here today and we are so happy to explore this place and make a great site visit here. Okay.
There's a lot thing you can do with sand casting. For example, you can even cast a police badge using desired material, and also you also can create a gear for your mechanical parts in industry.
Okay, sini ada 3 macam proses: green sand, CO2 process, alpha sand. Okay, nama tak kisah apa, main thing is to form the shape, okay, of what we want. Alright, so okay, we mix the sand together with the chemical with calculation. Okay, now we start. Okay, we mix with new sand. Masuk. On.
Sand enter
Okay,
the
recycle sand we make.
sand is recycled sand.
Okay, we look at it, how much kilo, and then we only mix the chemical in, okay?
This is a process of casting when to measure the sand that you use during the
要嗰啲唔到看就好了，他们不会懂很多了，到看就 OK 了。OK， 来，masuk。This is to create sand is, imagine the sand is a ball. 2 balls how to stick together cannot, right? We have to have a layer coating first. All right, coating is a coating. All right, a coating. Alpha, we call it alpha sand. There is type of chemical. One is hardener. This is okay.
because they're doing a coating.
We have to have a coating onto every piece of the sand, every single piece of the sand. All right. After that, we mix in hardener. Hardener will be activating this coating. Then it will solidify in 20 minutes. So in this 20 minutes, we have to settle everything to let it stand. Okay? Okay, we wait until it's hardened. So there is a lot of different kind of shape. You can see here, small, medium. This is all called for different projects, different shape. we have to use this. This is a core. Core is to empty the center part of core, okay? So one set of the thing, sometimes it will have 5 pieces of same mold combined to become one thing. After already 4, I think, we go sandblast, cutting, and then something like that is sent to CNC department.
They are interacting with the CEO of the company, where the CEO is giving a short brief on how the process they are analyzing is being made.
This is 1005 degrees C, so you can feel very hot. But you can, the sound of what I say is a finding of plus and minus dropping each other. Okay, you can see some spark coming out, and also underneath you can see the motor is moving because when it collect enough heat, it will come out and then come back again, come out and go back. It's a stirring effect. It's a stirring effect, okay? This is a non-ferrous, this is a ferrous furnace. I have other non-ferrous furnace, they are different. This is medium frequency, there is high frequency and also low frequency for different material, okay? So this furnace constantly is cooled down by the water 35 degrees C. Alright? Any question?
Tan Sri, how do you ensure the safety of everyone during this process?
Okay. Normally, what we do is we have to wear protective gear and make sure every time we start this furnace, we have to make sure the furnace is properly intact. The lining, we so-called, this is the lining. Okay, because when the lining leak, in this high temperature, it will mix with 35 degrees of water and also electricity explosion. So all these have to be carefully checked before we start the burner every day. Alright? That's all. Otherwise, it will be okay. Okay?
Can I ask one more question? What are the main challenges during this process?
We are fighting with time. This one ton is about one hour and a half, 1.5 hours to melt 1 ton. We are fighting against time because the more I hold, the more air he absorbs, the more porosity inside. So we have to melt very fast.
Okay, thank you.
That's all. Okay, thank you. And you take whatever sufficient focus that you want. Okay, so the first is so every control of the focus will go by 100 degrees C. Alright? Meaning, what is the correct temperature to pour into the bowl? It actually depends on what material, and also depends on the thickness of the casting. The thicker casting will need lower temperature. Otherwise, it will take a lot of porosity. Right? The thick one, we have to raise our temperature to the highest so that we have time to pour onto the bowl, and then we pour the bowl from one time. One time we take like 500 kilo, we pour like 10, 20. Alright? So we have to consider the first one and the last one. Correct? Last one will be the lower temperature, the first one will be the highest. Correct? So all these we have to consider before we pour. Now we are pouring 35 kilo. But between the core and ingot, it will be 40 kilo and above. Okay, we start. And then because I put a lot of coal inside, right? That coal will create gases, and then we have to burn the gases so that to release the gas even faster. So it will not keep inside. Because, yeah, otherwise it will bubble inside, okay? It will bubble inside the motor until it's solidified. That one also creates blowhole. Alright? So that, okay, you can see it's different from other sand. This is another type of hard sand, so it's actually burning the material away. Green sand, it will not burn as strong. see it will solidify straight away in 10 seconds after we pour.
Okay, as you can see here, it is a safety rule for production area. So before the production, workers need to ensure to follow this safety. First, for example, they need to wear glove, wear eye protection, wear face mask, ear protection, and last and foremost, safety shoes. So this is to ensure the safety of the worker, and there will become
Now we're gonna talk about the sand casting department safety rules precaution. First is PPE, protect yourself. We have a glove and fire resistant clothing, prevents burn for your molten metal, eye and face protection, keeps out the spark and flying particles, receptor and a mask necessary to avoid inhaling harmful silica dust and fumes, safety shoes to protect your feet from the metal spill. Second is working with molten metal. Handling liquid metal is high risk. Follow these steps to stay safe. Preheat the molds. This removes the moisture and prevent dangerous explosion. Second is slow and steady. Pour carefully to avoid splashes. Keep your distance. Always stand at the safe distance while pouring. No water, never let water come near molten metal. And last is use proper tools. Third is furnace and equipment care. Keep your machineries in good working order to prevent accidents. First is ventilation. Ensure the area is well ventilated to clear out toxic fumes. Second is check before use. Third is control the spill. And fourth is follow the procedure. And last is clear the area. Fourth is sand and molding safety. Proper and sand management is crucial for a quality mold and safe environment. First is the right sand quality. Second is the dust control, like wear a mask when handling a dry sand. Third is stay dry. And lastly, don't over ram. Avoid excessive compaction which can trap gases in the mold.
Okay, saya tanya kalau benda ni tak jadi lah, dia punya ni, kalau ada defect ke tak jadi, uncle buat apa?
Buang lah.
Buang baru lah?
Buang baru. Tak boleh tanpa, tak boleh apa.
So dah keras lah?
Mau cepat, mau keras, mau tengok baik-baik. Naik barang dia sebarang naik. Dia ada macam ada satu step macam mana naik, macam mana naik. Tak boleh sengit, tak ada apa nak. Mau pelan-pelan tengah naik. Satu kali naik. Dia mesti mau ketuk-ketuk sikit. Dia tak ketuk sikit, dia gigit. Dia lagi gigit, dia kalau lagi lama dia gigit lagi kuat. Barang mesti mau ketuk ambil hammer kan, ketuk sikit. Nanti dia senang naik.
Macam mana uncle kekalkan produk ni cantik lah?
Saya bikin barang mesti mau cantik, mesti ada persen. Kalau 100%, kurang-kurang mau 85% baik.
Kalau bawah tu?
Bawah tak ada pernah bikin bawah yang rosak ni.
Tak pernah buat?
Tak pernah. Cuma buat punya barang kurang-kurang 85% sampai 90% baiknya. Tak pernah rosaknya. Kalau diorang masak ada air, ada lubang kan, tuang air itu biasalah. Kalau bikin rosak banyak kurang saya.
For suggestion, I can suggest the company to implement die casting in their process. This is because die casting provides better dimensional accuracy and smoother surface finish. For comparison between sand casting and die casting provides better surface finish and better dimensional accuracies, but in terms of cost, die casting requires more equipment and mold costs, while sand casting requires lower mold and equipment costs.
we're going to talk about how can the company overcome the problem. To boost their product quality, they must resolve gas porosity in their sand casting. This is caused by trap as moisture in the sand or gas evolution during pouring. They should immediately improve more permeability, enforce strict moisture control, and optimize their venting or binder system. Taking this step will drastically reduce defect and ensure the structural integrity on their product.
One of example of die casting is engine block. Engine block is commonly manufactured using die casting because the process can produce complex shape with high accuracy and smooth surface finish. In addition, die casting also suitable for mass production and help reduce manufacturing time. Die casting also allows manufacturer to produce lightweight aluminium engine block within maintaining sufficient strength of the engine block.
One issue observed during the site visit was the loud noise in the production area. This can affect communication, safety, and worker concentration. To improve the situation, the company could install noise reduction barriers, enhance the usage of hearing protection equipment, and conduct briefings in quieter areas. These improvements can create a safer and more efficient working environment.
Alright guys, so that is the end of our video and site visit. So hopefully this video is beneficial for everyone, especially students.
Yes.
So thank you for watching.